Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CHF, US dollar Swiss franc for 16th March 2021. So this video is for 16th March only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with the analysis for 17th March. And please do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of the other currency pairs. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that US dollar Swiss franc was in beautiful uptrend, okay, and right now trading at 0.9292 and taking support at the 50 moving average, which is a very good sign. Okay, so is this the position to go ahead and buy? Okay, so what do you think? Okay, so market was a beautiful uptrend. Okay, so right now it is taking support at the 50 moving average, which is a very good sign, really. But uh, we need to consider one thing, and that is this. So here we can see that market is in overbought zone right now. Okay, and market is overbought zone, and we can see that has market made a high at this particular point on 10th March, and right now market is unable to cross this particular line. So there may be some disruption in the uptrend. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? We can go for or look for two strategies. Okay, here. So the first strategy is let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold zone. Okay, so when market will be in oversold zone and it will be ready to go up again. Okay, like this, or like this, sorry, or like this. Okay, so when stochastic RSI will be ready to go up again, just look at the position of the price. If you see that market is still taking support at the 50 moving average, okay, that means that the 50 moving average is still a valid support for the market. In that case, you can go ahead and buy. Okay, you can buy. So first strategy is wait for the stochastic RSI to come to the oversold zone. When it will be going up again, look at the position of the price. If you see that the price is in just above the 50 moving average, still respecting the 50 moving average, taking support and all, okay, it's a buy. So this is the first strategy. And the second strategy is wait for the market to cross this purple line, okay, or this level. Okay, so let the market cross this level. When market will be crossing this level, just observe the price. Okay, just see, just try to understand the psychology. Okay, just see whether market is trading comfortably or not, whether price is feeling comfortable above the level or not. If you feel that, or if you see that price is doing great, it is trading comfortably above the level of 9324, 0.9324. Okay, that means that the resistance is no more valid. In that case, you can go ahead and buy. Okay, so these are the two strategies. First is wait for the market to go to the oversold zone and then buy. And the second strategy is let the market cross the resistance, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology. That's it. So simple strategy for US dollar Swiss franc for 16th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos just before the market opens. In case of stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. If you're interested in stock, then also do subscribe. Anyways, thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis.